This is Ignite Your Future, which is a career exploration event. It is built truly and simply for kids to be able to try activities based on industries that they might be interested in going into.
So at first I thought it was just going to be like we would just walk into the main lobby and it was just going to be just a big circle of booths. But what I really liked was you were able to go around the campus and get to learn different things, which was really cool. It wasn't all in just one section to learn. You actually got to space out and kind of do your own thing.
The nursing thing, having to put getting to draw blood, that was so cool. And there wasn't really anything that I didn't find interesting.
Really the chances for students to get a hands-on experience in many different areas and try it before they buy it.
It's about Ridgewater, it's about the chamber, it's about private business, it's about public entities that are here, all coming together for the same purpose, to help kids have an idea of what they wanted to do.
So the manufacturing faculty and the manufacturing industry have come together, and they have stages of an activity where they're designing it on SolidWorks software, and then they're going into the CNC machine and seeing how that works, and then they're measuring, see if the specs were on, and then they're assembling a keychain and putting it on a lanyard.
You can go into something and you go, oh, this isn't what I was expecting. I'm going to move on to something else.
Really the important thing is, so with all of these industry partners, we're hitting the entirety of our regional economy too. So as we're in the midst of harvest season, students can even be out dealing or working with and experiencing the combine simulator. So we're addressing ag and food and natural resources. We're addressing manufacturing. We're addressing healthcare, the sciences, all of these different fields to give them a robust experience about what it's really like throughout our entire region.
So many times that we put them into a classroom and they learn all the theory and all the right words, and then maybe the last 2 weeks of a class they get to actually get hands-on. This is something that's really important because they need to have a really good sense of what this is like and what fires them up.